Obuni lolo nongungalindina rolie na iya.
What is the Mataqali drift? We went back to our roots to find out who we really are. Along the way, we've gotten out of touch with ourselves. We're stuck in this rat race. Work, pay bills, work, pay bills. We have no time for our culture, no time for our identity. We are becoming gray. We are losing touch with who we really are. So we went from the urban life, from the city, from the buses, from the traffic, from the hustle and bustle and the bright lights and the fast food, to the place where our great-grandfathers were brought up. We went back to the village, back to our roots, back to our Mataqali. We are Vo. We are young urban Fijian artists on a journey of rediscovery, reconnection, and representing.
We're off to Boa. In that. Let's go.
Kungo chungo no corro con Boa. Andono corro levo, corro nei tu in Boa. Cosa varongo nei lavoro style na dele niau, no corro con Longana. E nei chico con pekka.
From Boa village, we went on a 1.5-hour boat ride to Longana. Longana was a beautiful place, and we were really blessed to be there and to experience the village life. The people were so welcoming, and everything felt so untouched and raw. Meet Manueli, who is the last surviving teacher of the Longana Meki. He taught us this dance on his own, as he felt none of the youths in the village wanted to learn the Meki. He was grateful that youth from Suva had come so far to take an interest in this ancient art form. Nowadays, Fijian Meki is very commercialized, yet Manueli brought a different energy we hadn't seen for many years. We were privileged to document this Meki as it has never been recorded before. We went to see my maternal ancestors' gravesite, the original Peckham family. This opened up my eyes and made me see my connection to the land and to the people, because my forefathers were buried here. From Longana, we left for Rambi, where we went to meet old friends. In 2012, Vo represented Fiji alongside dancers from Rambi to the Festival of Pacific Arts in the Solomon Islands. We just arrived inside the school. What's the signboard just there? After a 3-hour drive from Sabu and a half an hour ride, half an hour walk, finally in the school. This was the first time that we met after the festival, and we celebrated this reunion through a dance exchange. Their energy was so intense and pure, so raw and so genuine. It brought emotions of joy and excitement and a longing for our culture. Say Naka Wakalebu, Nakbalebu. That was when I saw that dance, I really wanted to cry, because when you dance and you sing from the heart and from the soul. And in plenty places now in the world, that's lost, eh? So Naka Sarabakalebu for keeping it alive. Nakabalebu. To say thank you
We'll do one more dance for you, and then we're gonna go. Thank you so much. Funny one.
Our next stop was Koro Island. Vo's founder Sachiko Soro has long-standing connections with his land. After performing our traditional presentation, we were welcomed by the village elders, and then it was time to socialize and have some fun. Soon after, it was down to business, which was learning the meke from Tuoto village. And in the spirit of sharing, we showcase some of Vo's contemporary Fijian dance. This is the genesis, inspiration for our stories. Stories translated into our bodies and gifted to you as the Mataqali drift.